Here at SABRENT, we love to make all different types of products to suit your storage needs. And this one's a little bit special, so let's get into the video. Hello everyone, my name's Mike, and here at SABRENT we love to make and talk tech. So if that's what you're into, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. So today I am super excited to talk about the SABRENT Rocket RGB USB-C M.2 SSD Enclosure. This product was exciting for us to make because not only could we apply our love for technology into these enclosures, but we've also added a little bit of spice and color to this new enclosure. So let's get into the box to show you what you get inside and then talk about some of its key features. So in the box, first of all, you get the user manual, which goes through how to get started with the enclosure. You get a screwdriver and retainer grub for the SSD. You get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. And lastly, you get this awesome enclosure in the box. This enclosure comes in two different colors. We've got the standard color and we've also got this special edition color. This enclosure is a little more powerful than your standard enclosure, as this has transfer speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second, thanks to the fact that we use USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2. We know that SSDs are also getting hotter and hotter all the time, so we have built in thermal padding as part of the enclosure to help dissipate the heat. And thanks to its stylish new aluminium exterior, this also is not only tough, but is also going to help dissipate some of that heat coming off of your SSD. Now, one thing you may have noticed is that these SSDs come with awesome RGB effects. But this isn't just for looks. This also changes depending on its status. So during its normal operation, it will have this beautiful rainbow cycling effect, which is really nice against any kind of desk setup. But it will also strobe blue during read and write activity, and also go into a solid red lighting when there is an SSD that is not detected. So as you can see, the RGB is also functional too. These enclosures support both NVMe and SATA M.2 SSDs, which include the sizes 2230, 2242, 2260 and 2280 form factors. And don't worry, even with all of that speed, power and RGB, this is conveniently bus powered and is also plug and play with full trim and UASP support. But don't worry if your device doesn't have a USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 port, as these enclosures are backwards compatible, so this is also a great companion for all of your portable systems too that might not use that port. So let's open one of these up to show you how exactly you install an SSD in our enclosure. So when we turn the enclosure over, as you can see, there are 4 screws that need to be removed, and you can use the included screwdriver. You then want to lift up the back plate and it will reveal the slot for your M.2 SSD. Then you want to make sure that the fastener is at this position like so. And then you want to grab your chosen SSD and you want to slide that at a 45-degree angle, push it down gently, and then fasten it with the fastener. Now be aware, if you want to use any of the smaller SSDs, then you use the included grub to insert into the appropriate sized hole and follow the same procedure. Now on the back cover there is a thermal pad, however it is protected with a piece of plastic, so you want to remove this before closing it up. Now all that you need to do is flip over the back case and then screw in the 4 screws using the included screwdriver. And that's it, you are ready to go. Just plug it in using the high quality USB Type-C cable into your chosen system and you're ready to go. I absolutely love these products and it comes in some awesome colors too. Make sure to pick up the special edition because this thing is not going to hang around for long. The fact that these SSDs not only have the speed and performance and reliability that you've come to expect from an enclosure like this, but the fact that it has some really subtle but cool looking RGB effect lighting, as well as it being made out of a really high quality aluminium, means that your drives will not only look cool, but stay cool too. So if you want to go ahead and pick any of these up, then I will have links down in the description below. But anyway, that's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, then make sure to smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.